I've never done this before because there's no fall leaves in California, and I feel like this is gonna be extremely satisfying.
They wanna take me away. Put me in the backseat, rainy day. No promise I wouldn't say.
Oh, hi! Hello! Hi! Is his name Frankie?
Huh?
Is it Frankie?
Frankie.
Oh, that's so cute. We all know why we're here. It's the title of the video. I mean, if you've read the title, which you probably have because you clicked on this video, I quit being a YouTuber. I fucking quit. I quit. And I guess what that means, I've been editing every single YouTube video I've uploaded by myself for the last like 10 years. I'm sure if you watched my videos for that long, you guys would know how much goes into that. So the last year of my life, I've been so blessed to finally find a really good team to help me edit my YouTube videos. I had like this long list of video ideas that I'd always wanted to do since I started my channel, and I just didn't have the manpower to like film and edit them by myself. So I got in this like really motivated mindset to just like film, edit, do all these crazy videos, film with my friends, you know, 24-hour challenges. Having that team behind me to like help me film and edit just motivated me to like be a YouTuber again, you know? And it's been a really awesome year of doing that, and I love those videos. At the same time, however, I was falling back in love with travel vlogging, and not just travel vlogging, but like I was finding a bunch of channels on YouTube that really inspired me to get outside and like live my best life outdoors. Yeah, you guys know that's kind of been like my vibe for quite a while. I knew that was like truly in my heart what I wanted to do, but I didn't do it because even though I wanted to film those videos, I still had like, you know, I still had some of that old YouTuber inside of me. And yeah, that old YouTuber has burnt out. She's burnt out. She's done for a little bit. I quit being a YouTuber. I don't want to act anymore like I'm this YouTuber from 2015. Like, I'm just not. And even if that might like get views and be sensational content and be like really quickly edited and really funny, it's time for a change, you know? It's 2022 almost, and I want to finish off this year different. You gotta expand your wings, you gotta soar. Like, I'm not gonna say that YouTube Ava is gone forever. I'm just like gonna put her in a little box, lock the key, and maybe we'll come back to her in a little bit. But like right now, she's gonna be put on the shelf. And we're gonna change this channel to a whole different vibe. Ah, I'm so excited. Ah! Like, I want this channel to be like a visual diary. If I could give you guys like an idea of what I'm thinking the new era of this channel is gonna be like, I feel like it's gonna be like Vlogtowski, but even realer, like even more honest and raw. But like Vlogtowski travel vlog vibes with just like really honest, week to week, I just want to sit down and just spill, you know? Like, the era of Vlogtowski was when I was at my happiest. It was so much work editing all of those cinematic travel vlogs, but I was at my happiest. I feel like I've never been happier than when I'm vlogging, which is crazy because I feel like vlogging like ruins people's mental health. But to me, like for me, I've never been happier than when I'm vlogging. And I think I realized that, and I want to bring that to the main channel, and I want to put my focus in that and giving that to you guys. It starts next week. The new era of MyLifeAsEva. I don't know what I'm gonna call this yet. If you guys have any ideas, comment that down below what I should call this kind of like new vlog series. I'm just like, ugh. I really hope I said everything I need to freaking say. This video is like so important to me and I don't want to fuck it up. I feel like the past year I've been so scared of like breaking out of my comfort zone, and there's only one way to get what you want. And that's leaving your comfort zone. So yeah, let's leave it. I'll leave it at that. All right, I love you, and I'll see you next week. Be there, be square.